In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix form email notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Wix dashboard to control who gets an email whenever someone fills out one of your forms, and what to adjust to make those notifications work the way you want. Start on your site's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Customers and Leads. Give that a click. This area is where Wix groups tools for managing people who interact with your site, so it's the right place to handle anything related to form submissions and follow-ups. Inside Customers and Leads, select Forms and Submissions. This page lists your forms, along with access to their entries and settings. It's a good idea to scan the list and make sure you recognize the specific form you want to update, especially if your site uses multiple forms for different pages or purposes. Next, find the form you want to adjust and click the three dots icon beside it. Those three dots open the More Actions menu for that particular form. Taking a second to confirm you've picked the correct form here can save you confusion later, because notifications are set per form. From that menu, choose Form Notifications. This takes you directly to the notification settings for the selected form. Behind the scenes, Wix handles these notifications using an automation, which is just a simple rule that says, when someone submits this form, send an email. Now edit the form notification automation. You'll typically see the trigger set to form submission and the action set to send an email. Update the recipients to include the correct addresses. This could be your main inbox, a shared team inbox, or any other address that needs to be in the loop. While you're here, you can usually fine-tune details like the subject line and message content so the notification is easy to identify in your inbox. If available, consider keeping the subject consistent and clear, like including the form name, to help with filtering. Make sure the email addresses you enter are spelled correctly, and, if your plan supports it, add multiple recipients as needed. When you're done, save or publish your changes so the new settings take effect. Wix may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and apply those updates. And there you go. You went to Customers and Leads, opened Forms and Submissions, used the three dots menu for your form, selected Form Notifications, and edited the automation to match your needs. That's all you need to keep the right people informed the moment a visitor submits a form on your site.